वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू अपक्लिक अकेडमी। माई सेल्फ गौतम। गाइस, इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के अंदर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ डाटा एनालिटिक्स, और मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर डेमो क्लास के थ्रू कन्वे करूँगा कि हम एज अ अपक्लिक अकेडमी आपको डाटा एनालिटिक्स में क्या क्या कोर्सेज़ के अंदर मॉड्यूल्स क्या क्या होते हैं एंड हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट योर करियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ डाटा एनालिटिक्स। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो इस क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डाटा एनालिटिक्स as a upclick academy, how we can help you in data analytics to build your career. So let's get started. So first of all हम बात कर लेते हैं सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स दैट इज़ मेनली फॉर 3 months ओनली। एंड इसमें हमारे मॉड्यूल्स क्या क्या होते हैं, 10+ टॉपिक्स होते हैं आपके, in which we will teach you like introduction to data analytics and business cases, and the second one is advanced excel for data analytics and reporting, basic stats for analytics, and sql and power bi fundamentals. Okay, so this is like you can say this is basics, and tools we will cover in it like ms excel, sql and power bi, that is mainly for from microsoft. Okay, and so certification we will provide you after completion of the certification course, certification in data analytics from our academy, and internship certificate like you will have 15 to 25 days of internship period in this 3 month, and after completion of this internship we will provide you internship certificate that will help you to get job. And the third one is project completion certificate. When you complete this 25 days with us in internship, along with that internship certificate we will give you project completion certificate as well, and the basic salary in the certification course that you can expect, just because it's an entry level job, so you will get somewhere around 2.5 to 4 lpa per year. And then what are the benefit of this course, like it's a short term job oriented program. You will get 100% job from our side, and you will get live practical projects while doing this course, and the free career counseling as well. We will give you free career counseling so that you can understand what are the career option in front of you after completion of this certification program, and like a course certification as well you will get. And what are the career option after completion of this 3 months certification? You can become a data analyst, like a trainee or a junior, like you can teach data analytics, and you can work in any mnc or any big firms as a data analytics, and you will become mis executive. These all are career option that you will get after completion of this certification course for 3 months, and a reporting analyst and operation analyst as well. Okay, so this is our course for a certification that is basically for 3 months, and the fees we will charge for 3 months is 15,000, and you will get free of cost these tools. We will not charge you a single penny. This is our data analytics executive program that is mainly for 5 months only, and here you can learn 10+ topics and 10+ modules in data analytics. So I have already told you that in certification I have mentioned some basic modules, and along with that if you are doing executive program then you will get these as a add-on in certification as well. So first of all you will get analytics fundamentals and business applications, like you will get to know about like what are the analytics fundamentals, how do you evaluate any company data or any stock market business companies data. And the second one is business application, like you will get to know that how you can analyze the business of any niche company wise. Okay, and the second one is advanced excel with dashboard. So you will get to know like how excel works, and how the advanced excel with the proper dashboard works, and how you can find valuable information using the data analytics tools. And the third one is stats for data interpretation, that is mainly we say di. And the next one is sql basic to advanced. In executive program you will learn sql from basic to advanced. And the next one is python for data analysis, and that is mainly for when you have a big data, so you will have to analyze those data with the help of the python. And the next one is Power BI and interactive reporting. Okay, so Power BI basically organized by Microsoft, and it will create you for you the interactive reporting, like in 1 CR or 2 CR data you will find your valuable information, just like a 500k or 100k. So you will have to use this Power BI tool to structure this data, and the live project and case studies as well. You will get a lot of case study, more than 10 case study, like how businesses operate, how businesses compete with their competitors, etc. And along with that you will get interview preparation from our side, that is mainly free of cost. We do not charge any single penny for the interview preparation. And the tool we will cover in this executive program is mainly Microsoft Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. Okay, so but you will get after the completion of this executive program, so you will get certification mainly from executive data analytics certificate and from Upclick Academy, and the second one is internship certificate, and the third one is live project certificate. I have already told you in certification, and you can combine the same as like this is as it is, as I have already earlier told you in a certification exam, and what are the expected salary outcome out of it. So you will get somewhere around 4 to 7 lakh per annum after completion of this executive program. And what are the benefit of this course? Like it's a job oriented short term program, and you will get a live practical projects, free career counseling, and course completion certificate as well. And what are the career option in this field? Like you will get a data analyst, you will get business analyst, you will get Power BI analyst junior, and you will get marketing and operation analyst. So these all are the your career option in which you can work for MNC or for a company as well. And the fees of this course is 25,000 around. Okay, so this is the demo class of our data analytics course. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are still any question about what are the data analytics, like if you want any visit in our academy, or if you want any more information, then you can make sure you contact on this number, and you will get all the detail that you want. And thank you so much.